Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Grindr icon. Well, first of all, I apologize because I'm taking a video like this. Grindr does not want me to screen record, so we have to get creative. First, come to browse, okay? And then I want you to come to the top left, click on your profile icon. Now, I want you to go ahead and scroll all the way down here and click on settings. Right. Now, scroll down, you'll see this Discreet App Icon. I want you to go ahead and click on this Discreet App Icon. Now we get an option of different icons. Now, what I found the best was this one. This one kind of looks like a calendar. Okay, then you come and click on confirm here. Then your icon has been changed to do. Now this one is much better for me because I found that the other ones, like a calculator, someone might still think it's a calculator and click on it, right? But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.